fact, staying with the story in a piece of breaking news that's coming in just now, the Kerala High Court has come down heavily on the state government and on Travancore Devasam Board for failing to make proper crowd management arrangements at Sabrimala. In fact, the court has raised many questions to the government and the Devasam Board. High Court has said that the preparations should have started at least 6 months ago and the number of virtual queues should have been reduced. The board informed that even after spot booking, more than 10,000 people climbed the hill. The court sought explanation from the government and the Devasam Board and instructed both parties to file a reply by Friday. In fact, CNN News 18's Neetu Raghukumar now joins us for more on this. Neetu, we have seen the kind of explanation that's come in from the Devasam Board as well, saying that they did not anticipate this kind of a crowd, 1 lakh people turning up on the first day, but the court clearly saying that the preparation for this should have started nearly at least 6 months ago.
Yes, the Kerala High Court has come down heavily on the Travancore Devasam Board as well as the state government, stating that the preparations should have started at least 6 months back. But these are oral observations that the High Court has made. They've asked the Devasam Board as well as the government to file a response to this. But on the ground at Sabrimala and at Pampa, what we are noticing is that the heavy crowds that we witnessed yesterday in Sannidhanam and at Pamba is not there at the moment. Things have been regulated in Pamba and at Sannidhanam, and at Nilekal, the base camp, the spot booking is only allowed at Nilekal, the base camp. So those who are coming without a virtual queue booking, they will have to wait there for the spot booking because the spot booking has been reduced to 20,000 per day, and if people come beyond that, they will have to wait at Nilekal. So that is what on the ground we are understanding, that the crowd that we have witnessed yesterday at Sabrimala and Sannidhanam, that is not the situation in Sabrimala and Pampa today.
Absolutely. Neetu, what are the arrangements that are being put in place now? We are looking at the state and the Travancore Devasam Board, which will have to now also submit its reply to the High Court by Friday.
Yes, they will have to file a report for the before the High Court. Now, at the same time, see, this is a continuous process that keeps happening every time during the Mandala Magaravillakku season also. And all these activities are closely monitored by the Devasam bench of the Kerala High Court. So that is why this keeps coming up at the Devasam Board, and the Devasam bench clearly monitors all these. Now, the government also says that in the previous years, every day, depending on the situation, the minister, under the minister, they keep calling the review meetings. But right now, the model code of conduct is in place in the state due to the local body election. So at the ministerial level, meetings like that cannot happen. They cannot call for those meetings. The Travancore Devasam Board President K. Jayakumar has said that arrangements are being made. The officer in charge in Sabrimala, the police officer who's in charge, has also said the arrangements are being put in place. What happened yesterday was that people who were taking a virtual queue booking for a different date are also coming, and also the fact that more people turned up for this spot booking. So these were the initial issues that they had faced, that they are saying, and they are saying that the situation is totally under control right now. So this will be informed to the Kerala High Court also.
Absolutely. Stay with us, Neetu, because